The year 2026 has arrived, and the way we work, create, and live has been fundamentally transformed by the most powerful technology in human history. Tired of the endless grind? The repetitive tasks that drain your creativity? Today, we step into a new era where productivity is amplified by 10 times. I've spent the last 12 months testing every single platform, and today I'm revealing the 12 best AI tools you absolutely need to know about in 2026. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, these tools are going to change everything. No avatar, no talking head, just raw, unfiltered knowledge. Let's dive into the ultimate 12-minute guide to mastering the AI landscape of 2026. This is your blueprint for the future. Let's get started. Why is AI exploding right now? We've reached a critical tipping point where reasoning, memory, and speed have finally converged into perfect synergy. In 2026, we don't just use AI to write emails. We use agentic workflows that autonomously manage our entire businesses while we sleep. It's about time. The goal isn't just to work faster, it's to buy back your most precious resource, your time. These 12 tools are your keys to that freedom. We start with the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, ChatGPT. In 2026, OpenAI has evolved this platform into something far beyond a simple chatbot. ChatGPT 5 is now a full-scale AI operating system. Its reasoning capabilities are now indistinguishable from a PhD-level expert in almost every field imaginable. The standout feature this year is True Agent Mode. You don't just ask it to plan a trip, you give it your budget and it books the flights and hotels for you. It handles the logistics, the cancellations, and the scheduling, all while keeping your personal preferences and security at the very top of its priority list. For beginners, its business modeling is legendary. Upload your raw ideas and watch as it builds a 20-page strategic plan with integrated financial projections. It researches your competitors, identifies market gaps, and even suggests the perfect branding colors based on 2026 consumer psychology and trends. ChatGPT saves you time by removing the blank page syndrome. You're no longer a laborer, you're the editor-in-chief of your own digital empire. Next up, at number 2, we have Claude by Anthropic. If ChatGPT is the all-rounder, Claude is the high-precision instrument for the serious professional. Claude is famous for its nuanced, human-like writing style. In 2026, its ability to avoid the robotic feel of typical AI is simply unmatched in the industry. Its massive context window is its secret weapon. You can upload an entire series of technical manuals, and Claude will remember every single detail perfectly. It's the tool of choice for researchers and analysts who need to synthesize thousands of pages of data into a coherent, actionable report in seconds. And for the coders out there, Claude 4 is a dream. It doesn't just write code, it reasons through the architecture of your entire application to find bugs. It feels like having a senior developer sitting right next to you, catching the mistakes you didn't even know you were making. True collaborative coding. In 2026, accuracy is everything. Claude is built with safety and precision as its foundation, making it the gold standard for enterprise work. Number 3 is Google Gemini. This is the multimodal powerhouse that is now woven into the very fabric of the Google ecosystem we use every day. Gemini is everywhere, in your docs, your Gmail, and even your photos. It has a universal memory of everything you've ever stored in your Google account. Its killer feature is deep video analysis. You can feed Gemini a 2-hour recording of a meeting or a lecture and ask it to find that one specific detail. It summarizes the key points, identifies the speakers, and even suggests follow-up actions based on what was discussed in the video. It's incredibly smart. For beginners, the integration is the game changer. Imagine drafting an email in Gmail and having Gemini pull data from 3 different spreadsheets to finish it. It saves you from the context switching trap. You stay in your flow while Gemini handles the heavy lifting of gathering and organizing your information. In 2026, Gemini is your personal productivity concierge. It's the easiest way for any beginner to start living an AI-first life without any friction. Coming in at number 4 is Grok. If you want the raw, unfiltered truth and real-time knowledge of world events, this is the tool for you. Unlike other models that might be weeks or months behind, Grok has a direct line to the pulse of the world through the X platform and live data streams. Grok is famous for its wit and humor. In 2026, it has become the most conversational and engaging AI to talk to, often giving you a much-needed laugh. It's not just about facts, it's about context. Grok explains why things are trending and gives you the fun mode take on even the most serious topics. But don't be fooled by the jokes. Grok's reasoning engine has seen a massive upgrade. It can now tackle complex logical puzzles and philosophical debates. Use it to reason through difficult problems. Grok always offers a unique point of view. In a world of information overload, Grok is your filter. It's fast, it's funny, and it keeps you ahead of the curve on every global trend that matters. Number 5 is Perplexity AI. This is the tool that has officially made traditional search engines a thing of the past for millions of users in 2026. Perplexity doesn't just give you a list of links, it gives you the answer. It browses the entire web in real time to find the exact information you need. The killer feature here is ground truth. Every single claim Perplexity makes is backed by a numbered citation that you can click to verify yourself. No more hallucinations, no more guessing. It's the ultimate research assistant for students, writers, and anyone who values reliable, cited information. Enable Pro Search for a multi-step investigation. Perplexity will ask you follow-up questions to be precise. Organize your findings into pages. It's the easiest way to share a deep dive research project with others. Ask questions about your whole code base. Cursor indexes everything, so it knows your project inside and out. Experience Tab for everything. Cursor predicts your next move, letting you build faster than you can think. Upload a sample of your voice. In minutes, you can generate speech in dozens of languages that sounds just like you. fine-tune the emotion. ElevenLabs lets you control the delivery, making it perfect for storytelling. Be descriptive. Include camera angles and lighting styles to get the most cinematic results from VO. Use the extend feature to build longer stories. You can even change the mood of a scene with a simple update. Use describe to reverse engineer prompts from images you love. It's the best way to learn the Midjourney language. Try vary region to change specific parts of your art. It gives you total control over every pixel. Number 10, NotebookLM. Think of this as your second brain that actually talks back to you. Ask for a study guide or an FAQ. It's the most efficient way to master any new subject in record time. Start with a trigger, then add an action. Use AI as the brain in the middle to process your data. Build a content engine. One idea can be automatically formatted for every platform while you sleep. Set up an AI agent. Give it your knowledge base and watch as it interacts with your audience in real time. Record once and use forever. Your instant avatar can speak any script you give it with perfect realism. Reach a global audience without the cost of international crews or dubbing. In 2026, HeyGen ensures your message is heard everywhere by everyone. With video agents, you can now have interactive AI characters handling your sales and customer support via high-quality video 24 hours a day. This is true scale. In 2026, HeyGen is the most powerful platform for anyone who wants to dominate the digital video landscape. It's time to start creating. If you're just starting out and feeling overwhelmed, don't worry, I've narrowed it down. Here are my top 5 recommendations for every beginner in 2026. Start with ChatGPT and Claude. These are your essential tools for daily reasoning, writing, and problem solving. They are the brain of your operation. Next, use Perplexity for all your research needs. It's the only search engine you'll ever want to use once you experience the speed and accuracy. For everything visual, Midjourney is a must. It will elevate the quality of everything you create, from social posts to professional marketing materials. And finally, ElevenLabs for all your audio and narration needs. This is the ultimate beginner stack that will make you unstoppable this year. Getting started is easy. Pick just one tool from that top 5 list, sign up for a free account, and just start playing around with it today. Step 2, be specific with your prompts. The more context and detail you give these tools, the better results you'll get. Think of them as your partners. Step 3, experiment daily. Spend just 10 minutes a day trying a new feature to stay ahead of the curve. Consistency is the secret to mastery in 2026. Here's a pro strategy. Use ChatGPT to write your script, then drop it into ElevenLabs for the voiceover. You've just automated your entire audio production. Or take a Midjourney image and use HeyGen to bring it to life as an animated video agent. Multiplied results with half the effort, this is the way. Which of these 12 AI tools excited you the most? Is there one you think I missed? Tell me in the comments below. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know which tool you're going to try first. The community is here, the tools are ready, and the future is yours to build. Let's make it happen. Don't let 2026 pass you by without mastering these essential skills. Work smarter, not harder, and let AI be the engine of your success. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI deep dives. We're on this journey together. The future is here and it's time to work smarter. I'm out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.